Kaunti ma Kisumu en achiel kuom counties ma odonje ogirimiti winjruok kod kambi yedhe ma Unigen ma yudore piny Amerka chiwo yedhe ne tuo ringa mar remo kod tuoche mamoko. Higni chenro mar keto seino e boma ma Kisumu, gavana ma Kisumu Peter Nyang'nyong'o owacho sirikal mare biro keto tim e chenro mar pogo yedhego e bero sekta mar thieth kaluwo. Kaunti ma Kisii, Migori kod mano ma Homa Bay gin moko kuom counties ma biro yudo ber kokalo kuom chenro mag yedhego.
Signed between us and Unigen is facilitate the establishment of a pharmaceutical farm here, which is going to manufacture drugs for treating sickle cell and allied diseases. This is important because sickle cell is a very prevalent disease, as you heard in the speeches here, and we cannot continue relying on importing drugs from abroad. First, it's expensive. Secondly, sometimes it may not be there. And thirdly, we need to control and ensure that what we get is what is valid.
We are going to start phase 1, as the governor said, to manufacture the drugs in the US, import in bulk, and then do packaging in Kenya. And what are the two most important things we are looking at? One is we are for sure going to create employment. We know Africa, not just Kenya, has a very high educated population, which we want to stage up whereby once we start packaging, we'll increase to whereby we go to full sketch manufacturing.
And we are going to conduct a clinical study here in Kisumu to prove that either when combining these two medications, you have synergistic effect, or if it's the same effect, you will reduce the dose.